Wax on, wax off. Getting some compound polishing. Yeah. Last time I got rubbing, got the wrong one. I need to get some soap. I need to go get some outdoor cleaner. That's that Clorox stuff. Do a little bit of cleaning. Not today, but who knows when and who knows what I'm doing. It's showtime! I used CapCut today, and when I went to do the X key and I want to delete the stuff to the left, and it does segments, little chops deleting. I want to delete the whole scene that I highlighted. Click the X button. I can't find the simple delete in CapCut. Well, I'm asking you. I don't know if you're going to know it, but I have to go ask other people that use the program that may know it. If anybody knows the delete of the section to put on the shortcut key, let me know. I know the little trash can does the delete. I'm heading to the store to get what I need, and I'll walk out, see what I got. Rubbing compound. That's all they sold. Rubbing compound. Oh man, no polishing compound. Oh, off I go. I could just rub-a-dub-dub myself. I don't want to go to another store. I didn't even want to go get the car wash wax. I guess I'll go to Home Depot for this stuff. Over here, I got a spec. It's been that way for a half a year. Time for me to just go get a new lens. Go online, order lenses. $200 versus $300. I can't get these frames no more. Never have to clean the outside. I'm constantly cleaning the insides of these. Why can't they spray the outside like the inside and the inside like the outside? You know what I mean. Make the inside as the outside. I'm done. Like I said, I gave up shopping in stores. They never stock things. If I want something, I'll just go online and get it.